Hello, everyone! Today we are diving into the most fundamental part of the English language, the verb to be. In the present tense, this verb takes three forms: am, is, and are. We use am, is, are to talk about who we are, what something is, how someone feels, and where something is. When do we use am as are? We choose am, is, are, according to the subject of the sentence. We say, I am. He, she, it is. You, we, they are. But this is not all. We also choose is or are according to singular and plural nouns. If the subject is a singular noun, one person, one thing, one place, we use is. Let's look at these examples. The student is very smart. My brother is at work. This book is interesting. If the subject is a plural noun, more than one person or thing, we use are. Let's look at these examples. The students are very smart. My friends are here. These books are interesting. Positive sentences. Sentence structure. Subject plus am is are plus complement. Examples. I am a student. She is very kind. They are at home. Negative sentences. Sentence structure. Subject plus am is a plus not. Examples. I am not tired. He is not here. We are not ready. Questions interrogative. Sentence structure. Am is our plus subject plus complement. Let's look at examples. Am I late? Is she your sister? Are they students? We usually answer these questions with short answers. Short answers are very common in daily English. Look at the examples. Question 1. Am I late? Possible answers. Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Question 2. Is she your sister? Possible answers. Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Question 3. Are they students? Possible answers. Yes, they are. No, they aren't. More examples. Are you ready? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Is it cold today? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Are we on time? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. What comes after am is are. After am is are, we can use different word types. We can use a noun. I am a teacher. She is my friend. 2. We can use an adjective after verb to be. For example, he is happy. They are busy. 3. We can also use prepositional phrase. Let's look at these examples. We are at school. The keys are on the table. 4. Verb plus ing, present continuous, such as, I am studying English. She is working now. Most EFL learners make these common mistakes. Be careful about these mistakes. Don't say, I am agree. Say, I agree. Don't say, she am happy. Say, she is happy. Don't say, they is here. Say, they are here. Don't say, she is go to school. Say, she is going to school. Today, we learned how to use miss in our in English. We talked about positive sentences, negative sentences, and questions. We also learned how to use amos and are with subjects, singular nouns, and plural nouns. This is one of the most important topics in English because it is the foundation of communication. Remember the structure again. I am. He, she, it, and singular nouns is. You, we, they, and plural nouns are. If you understand this structure, you can make simple sentences, ask questions, and answer them correctly. Now it's time to practice. Let's test what we've learned with a short quiz. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn faster. Before we start the test, here is a quick reminder. Each page has 5 questions. You will have 20 seconds to answer these 5 questions. Try to answer before the time is over. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's begin. Let's see the answers with explanations and check your answers. How many questions did you answer correctly? Don't worry if you made mistakes. This is how you learn. Let's check together. That's the end of questions 1 to 5. In the next video, we will continue with questions 6 to 10. Make sure you're ready. The answers and explanations for questions 6 to 10 will be at the end of the test again. See you there. Now let's see the answers. Great job for finishing the test. Check your score and keep practicing. Let's see how you did. 0 to 20 correct answers. Don't worry, you're just getting started. Watch the video again and try the test one more time. Between 21 to 40 correct answers. Good job! You understand the basics, but you need more practice. Keep going. Between 41 to 55 correct answers. Very good. You have a strong understanding of the verb to be. Just a little more practice will make you perfect. Between 56 to 60 correct answers. Excellent! You really understand imizar. You're ready for the next topic. Remember, making mistakes is part of learning. The more you practice, the better you become. If this lesson helped you, like the video and subscribe for more English lessons. I wish you great success on your English learning journey. See you in the next lesson.